Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day like always. And today I'm going to be covering BlackBerry stock for trading day February 26th. Now I'm only going to be covering the high part because I covered the low part in my previous video. The reason why I'm updating or putting out this video is because I missed that portion, and I covered it for the other stocks in that video, but I forgot to cover it for BlackBerry. But I'm going to do this by analyzing the graph, by the way. And for the new viewers, I'm extremely bullish and optimistic for BlackBerry. My current viewers know that, but I just forgot to cover it. And I was mainly stressing that if we're still in good shape, if we bounce off the support level. So now, a quick disclaimer, like always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional, and everything I do share is just my opinion and it's not advice. So I highly encourage you to do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Do not buy and sell based off the information I show you or the opinions I do form. I apologize, it's early in the morning, so I can't talk that much. I do own shares in BlackBerry, been holding for 6 years, so long-term investor overall. And if you do like videos in terms of stocks, passive income, mortgages, consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now, for the stock, for the new viewers, just in case they're just tuning in, we have an upward trend support line that I've showed in the past, dating back since October 2020, November backtested, December backtested, January 2021 backtested. Now for the play, for the upside, again, if you want to see the downside, what potentially could happen, watch the previous video. It'll pop up here or be in the description down below. Now this is going to be for the upside. Right now, pre-market looks like it's doing pretty good. And it's 10:58 close yesterday, 10:52 pre-market, which is awesome. Now the first level that we need to pass is pretty much 1060. I know, 1060. We had issues around the 1050, so there's a chance around 1050, 58, actually, or not 1058, 59. We might get shot down, but 1060 is the one that we need to pass. The only thing is, though, we have a downward trend resistance line right here that dates back since January 26. I don't know if this one was actual spike up on it, but January 26, either way, downward trend resistance line that we could pretty much get shot at roughly at the 10. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, 1060, 1061, because we have a downward trend resistance line from yesterday as well. So coincidentally, they're meeting at pretty much the point that we have major resistance. So hopefully we don't get shot down at 1060, 1061, pretty much at the open. So let's say we open roughly around the 1055, 1058, and then get shot down at 1060, 1061. But we'll see. Now, if you're optimistic that it's going to pass that level, the next level that you have is, I remember when I measured it was 1084, but it's pretty much in that whole area of the 1084, 1088, 1095. But the major resistance is at the $11.02, $11.04, $11.05. We could have false breakouts. Like always, I stress, nobody knows for sure. But if you're completely optimistic that you think we're going to just go start skyrocketing, the next level that we need to pass $11.23. And then after that, we have the play back again. It's not really showing here, I guess, but there's touch points on the side that I could show. $11.33, $11.32. If we pass those, we are doing really well, obviously, just because technically this is not really an upward trend support line, but let's just say if it starts having touch points and comes back down, those would be in play. Moving average is at $10.90, so you'll see resistance towards this area, like I stated before, the 1084 to the 1088, 1095 area, so that could get shot down there too. And the MACD line is still in the negative, but it's trying to cross over to the positive. So hopefully we see that to the upside today. So that's pretty much it. That covers BlackBerry in terms of how high it will go if it does go high. If it does go any higher and it breaks those resistance levels that I mentioned in the video, I'll comment down below and I'll pin it so that way you guys know what the next levels are. And if you want to know the potential downsides for BlackBerry, I highly encourage you to watch my previous video, so it covers that viewpoint. Now, if you do like the video, consider dropping a like. Thank you so much. It really helps the channel. Really appreciate it. If you do like videos in terms of stocks, financial freedom, passive income, mortgages, credit scores, and all that stuff, consider subscribing. Really helps our channel. Really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.